Are you ready to explore the essential language of business? Accounting is a systematic way to record, analyze, and report financial transactions. It plays a crucial role in decision-making for management and stakeholders. A business entity engages in commercial activities, such as selling goods or providing services. Its main goal is to generate revenue by meeting customer needs. Understanding the nature of business entities is crucial for grasping accounting principles. These entities vary in size and type, but share common financial objectives. Accounting helps track their financial health. Accounting is indispensable in modern society and impacts every economic aspect. It provides financial information crucial for business success, regardless of size. This information helps shareholders and stakeholders make informed decisions. Accounting also aids in planning and controlling business finances. Its importance has grown, making it essential knowledge for many. Financial statements show the true state of a business's affairs. They require a solid understanding of assets and liabilities. These components are fundamental in preparing accurate financial reports. Errors in financial statements can lead to misinterpretations. Understanding these fundamentals helps prevent and correct such errors. There are several types of financial statements, each serving a unique purpose. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's financial position. Income statements show profitability over a period. Cash flow statements track the cash inflow and outflow. Understanding these statements is vital for comprehensive financial analysis. Assets are resources owned by a business that provide future economic benefits. They are classified into current and non-current assets. Current assets are expected to be converted into cash within a year. Non-current assets are long-term investments. Proper asset management is crucial for business sustainability. Liabilities are obligations a business must settle in the future. They are classified into current and non-current liabilities. Current liabilities are due within a year. Non-current liabilities are long-term obligations. Understanding liabilities helps in assessing a business's financial health. Equity represents the owner's claim on business assets after liabilities are settled. It includes capital contributed by owners and retained earnings. Equity is a key component of the balance sheet. It reflects the residual interest in the business. Understanding equity is essential for evaluating financial stability. Revenue is the income generated from business operations. Expenses are the costs incurred to generate this revenue. The difference between revenue and expenses determines profitability. Proper management of revenue and expenses is crucial for financial success. Understanding these concepts aids in effective financial planning. The accounting cycle is a series of steps to record and report financial transactions. It begins with identifying transactions and ends with preparing financial statements. This cycle ensures accuracy and consistency in financial reporting. It includes journalizing, posting, and trial balance preparation. Mastery of the accounting cycle is vital for accountants. Accounting principles are the rules governing financial reporting. They ensure consistency and transparency in accounting practices. These principles include accrual, consistency, and prudence. Adhering to these principles is crucial for accurate financial statements. Understanding these principles is fundamental for accounting proficiency. Accounting policies are specific principles and procedures used by businesses. They guide the preparation of financial statements. Concepts like going concern and materiality are vital in accounting. These policies and concepts ensure reliable financial information. Understanding them is essential for accurate financial reporting. Accounting errors can occur during financial reporting. These errors include omission, commission, and principal errors. Identifying and correcting these errors is crucial for accuracy. Errors can lead to misleading financial information. Understanding common errors helps in maintaining financial integrity. Preventing accounting errors requires meticulous attention to detail. Implementing internal controls can minimize errors. Regular audits help identify discrepancies early. Training staff in accounting practices reduces the likelihood of errors. Prevention is key to maintaining accurate financial records. Correcting accounting errors is essential for financial accuracy. Adjusting entries are used to rectify errors. Timely correction prevents further complications. Documentation of corrections ensures transparency. Understanding error correction is crucial for reliable financial statements. Financial analysis involves evaluating financial statements to assess performance. Interpretation of data helps in making informed decisions. Ratios like liquidity and profitability are key tools in analysis. Accurate analysis aids in strategic planning. Understanding financial analysis is vital for business success. Financial planning is crucial for achieving business goals. It involves budgeting, forecasting, and resource allocation. Effective planning ensures optimal use of resources. It helps in managing risks and uncertainties. Understanding financial planning is essential for long-term success. Budgeting is a financial tool for planning and controlling finances. It involves setting financial goals and allocating resources. Budgets help in monitoring financial performance. They provide a framework for decision-making. Understanding budgeting is crucial for effective financial management. Forecasting involves predicting future financial trends. It aids in strategic planning and decision-making. Accurate forecasting requires analyzing historical data. It helps businesses anticipate changes and adapt. Understanding forecasting is crucial for proactive financial management. Resource allocation involves distributing resources efficiently. It ensures optimal use of available assets. Proper allocation supports business objectives. It helps in maximizing returns and minimizing waste. Understanding resource allocation is vital for operational efficiency. Through understanding assets, liabilities, and financial principles, you can grasp the language of business. Accounting provides the foundation for informed decision-making and financial success. Embrace these concepts to drive your business forward.